Setting up a corner is the starting point of any scene, compared to corner furniture, which can be positioned rather intuitively. It can be a lot more complicated to position an angle filler. Let's see, with the help of this tutorial, how to accurately place an angle filler. Most of the manufacturer's catalogue have what is called a graphic aid filler. This is a kind of silhouette that fits into the corner the same way as a corner cabinet. This makes it very easy to position the angle filler. For manufacturer catalogues that don't have a graphic aid filler, then here is the method to employ to place your fillers easily and accurately. First, let us place the modifiable zones for each side of the angle. These zones are silhouettes that will help you quickly visualize the space you need to set up, and therefore where you need to place your filler. In the Place drop-down menu, choose Zone. You can place it in 3 clicks. The first is the extremity of the first wall, the second click is the other extremity of the very same wall, and the third click places the zone. Right-click on it, then click on Attributes, and you can choose its depth. Let's imagine that the standard depth of the piece of furniture of this particular manufacturer catalogue is 580mm, and you wish to install a wall-aligned angle filler. We will logically choose 580mm for our zone's depth. If you click on By Default, this depth will be automatically applied to all future zones you place. Of course, you can always change the depth by going to the attributes of the zone. That's our first zone placed. Let's now place the second zone in the same way, but on the other wall. You now have a precise view of the space you have to work with and, more importantly, perfect visibility of where to place your angle filler. Select the angle filler you want in a catalogue, then drag and drop it. Don't hesitate to use the Move tool for more precision in the placing of the filler. Once again, thanks to this method, the automatic linear articles will be placed immediately without an issue.